Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I will guide you for steel structure design of RCC footing with column, and you can see the footing layout plan. If you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me on this WhatsApp number. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is RCC footing and this is its column and this is a layout plan for the footing. First of all, I will tell you this footing or plan is designed for 2-story residential building. Okay, so first of all, I will tell you size of the footing. Which is 4 feet by 4 feet. This is size of footing. And you can see this is footing plan. Size is 4 by 4 feet. And you can see this is its section. In the section, guys, you can see first of all from the top view, guys, you can see this one and also this one, where we used 12 millimeter die of steel rod with the spacing of 150 millimeter center to center. So you can see here, this is first of all size of footing, and the next one is die of steel, which is 12 millimeter. Next 3 spacing, so the spacing is 150 millimeter center to center, or you can say 6 inches. Next, guys, you can see this is the depth of the footing. So the depth of the footing is, you can see 4 feet and 3 inches. So depth is here 4 feet and 6 inches. This is depth of the footing. You can see the bed depth. So before starting the steel reinforcement, we did the PCC. So the PCC is 3 inches thickness. Okay, next you can see with the 3 inches thickness, guys, you can see the lean concrete is 1:3:6. Next you can see the bed depth. So the bed depth is here. Bed depth is 12 inches. Width depth, the bed depth is 12 inches. And next, guys, you can see with the bed depth is 12 inches with M20 grade concrete, where ratio is 1:1.5:3. You can see. So here you can see the steel reinforcement, where the steel reinforcement is 12 millimeter with the spacing of 6 inches center to center. And these are you can see the hook. So hook length is 6 inches. Concrete cover for all side is 3 inches. You can see clearly. And these are the details which I have already discussed from the top view of this. So this is the GL, means ground level. So this is the total depth, where D is 4 feet and 3 inches to the ground level. Guys, you can see this is column. So the column is at the center. You can see the steel reinforcement. This is single mesh, not double mesh. On the other side, guys, you can see clearly this is the center line, and these are the legs for the steel reinforcement to the inside, which should not be less than, or you can say leg length. Leg length is here 16 inches. So this is especially RCC footing. On the other side, guys, you can see this is column. So size of the column is, where size of column is 12 inches by 12 inches with 8 bars. Okay, 8 bars, and the dia of each bar is, you can see clearly, each bar dia is you can see 16 millimeter. You can see clearly. On the other side, you can see the lapping. This is overlapping because lapping length is 36 inches. Okay, these are the overlapping. You can see the stirrup dia is, or you can say tie dia is, which is 8 millimeter tie dia with the spacing of 6 inches center to center. But before starting the video, I didn't discuss because the bearing capacity of or you can say SBC, bearing capacity of soil is very low. So therefore size is 4 by 4 feet, but here we used 8 numbers of steel rods, 12 by 12, because the column is very strong with 16 millimeter die of steel rod. Because 12 millimeter is okay normally, but the bearing capacity of the soil is very low, so therefore I used more steel in this RCC column. On the other side, guys, you can see clearly these are the footing plan. You can see the steel reinforcement. So the steel reinforcement I've discussed. You can see now the spacing. So the spacing from one column to the other column, you can see this is 20 feet. This one you can see which is 13 feet, and this is about 6 feet to one column to other. This is 8 feet. So this is the maximum span. The maximum span is here 23 feet. So these are the spans. Okay. So actually I did this plan for one of my client, so therefore I am guiding you properly. On the other side, guys, we have also on the other side you can also see the plinth beam. Guys, you can see the span between each column. Suppose I am using here 23 feet span. Okay, from this plan, layout plan, guys, you can see from this layout plan. So where size of the footing is 12 by 16 inches, width is 12 inches. So you can see size of plinth beam. Okay, size of plinth beam which is 12 by 16 inches. On the other side, guys, we have 4 bars at the bottom, 2 at the top. Top bar dia is 12 millimeter, bottom bar dia is also 12 millimeter. 4 bars at the bottom, 2 at the top, and you can see hooks are bent on 135 degree. On the other side, 8 millimeter is the die of stirrup with the spacing of 7 inches. On the other side with the spacing of 5 inches, because here we have at the distance of L by 4. So therefore at the distance of L by 4 the spacing is close, where we have 5 inches. On the other side we have extra bars. So extra bars are crank bar. You can see we have 2 bars at the top, guys, you can see. So this is very important for you people to know about these points. On the other side, you can see this is cantilever, because on the other side we have the other support. So therefore now it's look like cantilever beam, but this is not cantilever beam. This just I'm showing you the continuous beam, because we have also the other column on the other side. So what I have discussed the front of you. First of all, size of the footing and its steel reinforcement for doubly story, especially for a double story building for the residential where bearing capacity was very low. This is size of the column 12 by 12 inches with here we have 8 bars. The dia is 16 millimeter, and this is a layout plan. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye. Hope this short video can help you. Okay, thanks for watching.